Okay, guys, yes, I went to Target and I found the brand new Ringling Bailey circuit, guys. I'm the first one to unbox on YouTube. So it's just the Mohawk Warrior reskin diecast. There it is, guys. Here's a new packaging. Ringling, the render in the back, Monster Jam logo. These new ones in the back are interesting. They have JCB Diggertron, which I want to get next. The Grave Digger again, as always. Megalodon with the Boneyard roll cage. Not Boneyard, but it's the same bone color. Real Trucks Roll Action Monster Jam, guys. There's the bottom of the box. Monster Jam. So yeah, here it is, guys. These are hard to take out now. Like, I miss the old packaging, everybody. Hold on, guys. Please hold. Alright, guys. Sorry about that. Alright. Ooh, okay. This is an interesting truck. It is Ringling Bailey circuit, guys. Yellow tires, pink rims and bead locks, baby blue roll cage, yellow motor insert, diecast, of course. And there's a face, little antennas of fur. This truck recently got revealed, the real life one. It's the same exact one, but it does not have the Mohawk Warrior casting. Ringling, guys, Bailey circuit, Monster Jam. There's a back with the tail, taillight printing. I mean, this is a cool little concept for a monster truck. Oh, that's bizarre. It looks so bizarre not seeing the Mohawk Warrior face there. That's really bizarre, guys. So, that's the 3 trucks I got today, guys. Sponsors, I would say. Like, subscribe, comment, share, because more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.